Number 10. Giraffes cannot smile. Have you ever tried to make a giraffe smile? Well, don't bother trying. They simply can't do it. Their upper teeth are way in the back of their mouths, so they can't maneuver them in a way that would create a smile. Instead, they kind of just look like they're smirking all the time. No. 9. A baby giraffe can be 6 feet tall at birth. Imagine being 6 feet tall at birth. You'd probably need an adult diaper, but giraffes are built differently. They're born tall and skinny with long legs, and they just get taller with time. No. 8 giraffes have no natural enemies. There's simply nothing that will prey on an adult giraffe. Lions sometimes try it, but they usually go for the young or sick individuals. Most of the time, though, giraffes are just left alone because they're way too big and strong to be messed with. Only humans really give giraffes a hard time. Number 7. The main reason for a giraffe's height is still unknown. Scientists think that maybe it has something to do with attracting a mate, but that's just a theory. Nobody really knows why giraffes evolved to be so dang tall. Some say it's to do with reaching high leaves on trees, but giraffes in higher altitudes tend to be shorter than those in lower altitudes. So that theory doesn't hold much water. No. 6. A group of male giraffes will isolate a female from the herd to forcibly mate with her turn by turn. This can go on for hours, and you'd think the female would eventually escape, but she's usually too exhausted to do anything about it. This behavior has earned giraffes the nickname of the African Viagra. No! 5. Unlike most mammals, a giraffe's heart doesn't get any bigger as it gets older. Researchers took samples from a young giraffe and compared it to one that was 24 years old. They found that the older giraffe's heart was the exact same size as the younger one. Now, scientists aren't exactly sure why this happens, but they're guessing it has something to do with their blood pressure. Giraffes have incredibly strong arteries to pump their blood all the way up to their brains. To do this, their hearts need to be way stronger than other mammals of a similar size. This extra strength may cause their hearts to stop growing as they age. Number 4. When giraffes are born, their legs are wobbly. Just like human babies, baby giraffes need to learn how to walk. And just like us, they're not very good at it at first. Luckily, giraffes don't have to learn how to walk, run, or jump. They basically just need to figure out how to stay upright. Within a few days, they're pretty good at walking and they can keep up with the herd. No. 3. A giraffe's fur has no real pattern. Each giraffe is unique in that regard. If you were to compare their spots to, say, a leprous spots, you would find that each giraffe's spots are vastly different from one another. They're completely random and there's no real explanation for it. Number 2. In some rare cases, giraffes can change the color of their skin. Yes, their skin is actually quite flexible. When they're calves, they're born with a reddish-brown color. As they grow, their skin starts to darken until they're adults. But in some cases, they lose their spots entirely and become a solid brown. It's unclear why this happens, but it's thought that the animals that are changing colors are sick. And finally, no. 1. Giraffes are in danger of becoming extinct. Yes! Despite their size, strength, and height, giraffes are endangered. There are only about 117,000 left in the wild, and that number is dwindling fast. Humans are destroying their habitat and also killing them for their body parts, which are used in traditional medicine. Also, giraffes are frequently victims of poaching. They're killed for their unique spots, which are highly prized by criminals who then sell them on the black market. Now that you know more about giraffes, which fact was your favorite? Let me know in the comments section below. And while you're down there, be sure to like and subscribe. I've been your host, and until next time, stay cool.